Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some truly mind-blowing facts about the human body that you probably never knew. So let's get started. Brain animation. First up, did you know that the human brain is incredibly adaptable? This amazing organ has about 86 billion neurons, and it can rewire itself through a process called neuroplasticity. This means that even after an injury, the brain can form new connections and pathways, allowing us to recover and learn new things. Talk about what happens to the human body in space. In microgravity, like on the International Space Station, astronauts experience muscle atrophy and bone density loss. However, their bodies begin to readjust once they return to Earth's gravity. It's incredible how adaptable our bodies are to different environments. Memory storage representation. Here's something truly mind-blowing. The human brain's storage capacity is virtually limitless. It's estimated to hold around 2.5 petabytes of information, which is like storing 3 million hours of television shows. Imagine all that data packed into our heads. Liver regeneration animation. Did you know that the liver is the only internal organ that can regenerate itself? Even if up to 75% of the liver is removed, it can grow back to its full size within months. Talk about the ultimate self-healing power. Sensory overload representation. The human senses are constantly bombarded with information. We process about 11 million bits of information per second, but our conscious mind can only handle about 50 bits per second. Most of this processing happens subconsciously, keeping us aware and responsive without overwhelming us. Camera footage. Our bodies emit infrared radiation, which is a type of heat energy. This radiation can be detected by thermal cameras, allowing us to see people even in complete darkness. It's like having our own built-in night vision. Here's a fun fact. The human body hosts around 39 trillion microbial cells, slightly more than the number of human cells. These microorganisms, collectively known as the microbiome, are essential for digestion, immune function, and overall health. We're basically walking ecosystems. Neuron communication animation. Neurons in the brain communicate through electrical impulses that can travel at speeds of up to 268 miles per hour. This rapid communication is what allows us to think, react, and process information almost instantaneously. Homunculus model. The sensory and motor cortices in our brain are mapped out in a representation called the homunculus. This little man shows how different parts of our body have varying levels of sensitivity and motor control, with our hands and face taking up a significant portion. Clock and circadian rhythms. Lastly, our bodies have an internal clock known as the circadian rhythm. This clock regulates sleep, metabolism, and other physiological processes. It's influenced by external cues like light and temperature, but can function independently, helping us stay in sync with the day-night cycle. Isn't the human body amazing? From our brain's vast storage capacity to our body's ability to adapt to different environments, there's so much to marvel at. If you enjoyed these facts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.